Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the fuel filter on Dacia Sandero 1.5 DCI. The fuel filter in this car is located underneath the wheel arch and behind the wheel arch liner. So in order to get access to the fuel filter, we need to remove the wheel arch liner. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the wheel arch liner is moved to the side, we have access to the fuel filter. The fuel filter is located behind this cover, which is held by 3 nuts. First I'm going to remove the electrical connector on the bottom. And now I'm going to remove the 3 nuts. Now I have access to the fuel filter. On top of the fuel filter there is an electrical connector that we need to remove and also 2 fuel lines. Here's the 2 fuel lines that we need to remove. They're held by a plastic clip that we need to push in on both sides and then pull out the fuel line. There is special kind of pliers for these fuel line connectors. That's what they look like, and with them you push both tabs on the fuel line connector and then you pull up the fuel line. That's one fuel line out. Now we're going to remove the second one. And that's the fuel filter housing out. Now we can disassemble the fuel filter housing and replace the fuel filter. We need to remove those bolts that hold the fuel filter cover and then remove the cover. If the cover doesn't want to come out, maybe we should get a screwdriver or a pry bar and just pry out the cover. That's the fuel filter cap out. Next we need to remove the bottom cap. Now that the bottom cap is removed, we can use pliers to pull out the fuel filter. And that's the fuel filter out. Now we can replace it with a new one. Next we're going to replace all the O-rings on the fuel filter housing. Next we're going to put on the bottom sensor. Next I'm going to fill the whole fuel filter housing with diesel before I put on the cap. You don't have to fill it up with diesel because this car has electric fuel pump which will bleed the whole fuel system, but to make it faster I'm just filling it up with diesel. And now I'm going to assemble everything in the reverse order. Once the whole fuel filter housing is assembled, we can put it back on the car. When you connect the fuel lines to the fuel filter housing, then make sure they click. Now we're going to connect the two electrical connectors, put the cover back on, and then put the wheel arch liner back in its place, and then we're going to go into the car and try and start the car. So next we have to start the car. This car has electric fuel pump which will bleed the fuel system, so we need to turn the ignition on and off about 10 times, holding it for about 5 seconds each time, and this way the electric fuel pump will prime the system and then we can start the car. And as the car started, hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.